Going to learn more sums based on solving quadratic equations using formula method, right? So let us take one by one. The first question of this module, 6m square minus 4m is equals to 3, right? So first step is we'll copy the equation 6m square minus 4m is equal to 3 and ask ourselves one question, is it in the standard form? It is not in the standard form. If it is not in the standard form, first step is make it in the standard form. So what we get is 6m square minus 4m minus 3 is equal to 0. Once it has come in the standard form, then what you will do? Compare it with the standard form and note down the values of a, b and c. So the equation is in m, so let us write the standard form also in m. On comparing with am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0, we get a is nothing but the first number, that is 6 with the sign. B is the second number, coefficient of m with the sign, which is minus 4. And c is the third number, which is a constant term with the sign. Okay, so c is equal to minus 3. Once you get the values of a, b and c, if you remember the formula, there was something inside the square root. What was there inside the square root? Yes, it is b square minus 4ac. Find the value of that. So let us find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square means it is minus 4 square minus 4 into a is what? 6 into c is what? Minus 3. So if you square minus 4, you will get 16. And then if you multiply all these numbers, 4 6 are 24, 24 3s are 72. And minus into minus becomes plus. So it becomes plus 72. So what you have is 16 plus 72. If you add these two numbers, you will get 88. So your b square minus 4ac's value, you got it as 88. So let us apply the formula. Formula will be what? M. The variable is m. So m is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole upon 2a. So what we get, m is equals to, now let us put the values. Write formulas minus first, minus. Then look at what is the value of b. b is minus 4. So minus of minus 4 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac just now we calculated. It is 88. So it becomes root of 88 upon 2 into a. So 2 into a is 6. So 2 into 6. So what you get is m is equals to minus of minus 4 becomes 4 plus or minus root 88. 88 cannot be brought out of the root, but we will simplify it. Let us simplify it. How will you simplify it? Now 4 into 22 is 88. 4 comes out of the root as 2. Yes or no? So what we get is m is equals to minus of minus 4 means what? 4 plus or minus root of 88 is written as 4 into 22 upon 2 6 are is 12. So what you get is m is equals to 4 plus or minus 4 comes out of the root as 2 root 22 upon 12. Now can we cancel this 2 and 12, which is there 2 in the numerator and 12 in the denominator? Can we cancel that? No, we cannot cancel. Can we cancel 4 and 12? No, we cannot cancel. Why we cannot cancel? Because there is plus or minus sign between the two terms and the 12 is for the whole denominator. You cannot cancel that way. If at all you want to cancel, you need a multiplication sign. Now let us think how to cancel. Now we have 4 plus 2 root 22 in the numerator. From that 4 and 2, can we remove something common from the numerator? Yes, 2 can be removed common. So let us do that. So m is equals to, from 4 and 2, we can remove 2 common. What stays inside the bracket? Out of 4, 2 has gone out. What stays inside? 2. Plus or minus, 2 has gone out. What stays inside the bracket? It will be root 22 upon 12. Now if you carefully look, the sign between 2 and the bracket is what sign? No sign. No sign means it is multiplication. And multiplication means we can cancel. So 2 ones are 2 6 are 12, we can cancel. So what we get is m is equals to 2 plus or minus root 22 the whole upon 6. One value of m will be with plus sign, other value of m will be with minus sign. So what we get is m is equals to 2 plus root 22 upon 6 or m is equals to 2 minus root 22 upon 6. Then we can write the final answer. The roots of the given quadratic equation are 2 plus root 22 upon 6 and 2 minus root 22 upon 6. Right? Let us take up one more sum. And one more sum is this. 3y square plus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now, this equation, is it in the standard form? The first step is that you have to ask yourself, is it in the standard form? Yes. There are 3 terms on the left side, 0 on the right side. It is in the standard form. And once you are convinced that it is in the standard form, what you will do? Compare it with the standard form. Comparing with the standard form, which is ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. we get. What do we get? A, it is the first number. What is that? 3. With the sign you should take always. B is the second number from the equation. What is that? With the sign plus 7, or you can write it as 7. C is the constant term with the sign from the equation. C is equal to 4. Once you get the values of A, B and C, what you will do? There was something inside the square root in the formula. What was that term which was there inside the square root? This one, b square minus 4ac. You will find the value of this. Let us find the value of this b square minus 4ac. B square means what? It is 7 square. Minus 4 into A. A is what? 3. Into C. C is what? 4. So let us square it. 7 square is 49. Minus 4 3s are 12. 12 4s are 48. And 49 and 48, if you subtract, you will get 1. So your b square minus 4ac's value, you got it as 1. And once this is ready, let us apply the formula. The variable used in the equation is y. So write y is equal to the formula. And what is the formula? It is the same. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole upon 2a. Now let us put all the values that we know. So y is equal to, write formulas minus first, minus. Then see what is b's value. B is 7. So minus 7 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac's value, we got it as 1. So it becomes root 1 upon 2 into a. 2 into a is 3. Now what we get is y is equals to minus 7 plus or minus root 1 is nothing but 1 only upon 2 3s are 6. One value of y will be with plus sign, another value of y will be with minus sign. So what we get? Y is equals to minus 7 plus 1 upon 6, or y is equals to minus 7 minus 1 upon 6, right? So what we get? Y is equals to minus 6 upon 6, or y is equals to minus 8 upon 6. We can reduce this. So what we get? Y is equals to minus 1, or y is equals to minus 4 upon 3. And then we can write the final answer. The roots of the given quadratic equation are minus 1 and minus 4 upon 3. Thank you.